Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Storage Support. I'm just going to take you through setting up a brand new page with Malory for WordPress using Visual Composer. Right, so to begin with, we're just going to create a fresh page, which go to Pages and Add New. I'll call this one Dan's Home Page. And we'll fire up Visual Composer and start by adding in a big hero area at the top. So what I'll do, I'll just put in a little bit of text. I'll put in Hello World. And we're going to use the Visual Composer settings to create a big full screen image right at the top of the page to begin with. So what we're going to do, we'll go to the row settings just by clicking on this edit icon here. And we want to choose to have a full height row, because we want it to stretch the whole screen. And we'll give it a nice background image just under the design tab here. Okay, before we continue, we'll just publish the page and take a look, see what it looks like. Okay, well, we've definitely got our bits and bobs there. We've got the text we wanted, we've got the image, but we've also got the page title, and it's not full screen either, it's kind of tucked down here. So what we need to do to remove the page title when building a page with Visual Composer, just simply use the page title option box here, and we'll set that to no. And you notice that the content here is not actually the full width of the screen. Well, the simple reason being we need to actually stretch the row as well. So back in the settings, we'll go to row stretch options here and just stretch row. So when we refresh the page, there we go. So we can see we've got our nice full screen image there. It's right at the top of the page. Nice and big impact as well. Although it's a bit out of the way, we've got our text there too. Obviously we can put whatever we want in there, so I'll just quickly tidy this up by center aligning it. We'll make it a nice big H1 and we'll make it white. Okay, so below our little header area here, we're going to pop, we'll do some services to begin with. So we'll make another row. And unlike this one where we've got one row with one big block in it, we want to split this one into a few columns. So just under the option here, we'll split that down into 4, and I will add a service box there. Just get a little bit of text. And for the sake of this video, I'll just clone that service box over to each of the columns. Okay. Great, let's reload the page and take another look. Fantastic. So there we go, we've got our wonderful columns of service icons there. So below that, basically when we're adding more items to the pages, we just simply click on the plus icon here. Obviously you've got a whole load of different blocks to choose. The ones which are actually bespoke to the theme are the ones marked Malory here. Just to get the most out of it, we will choose the blog feed here. Just hit update. Perfect. So there it is. We've got our header area there. We've got our service icons, and we've got our traditional blog below, just like we wanted. Obviously, a lot of these blocks do have different options available to them. So the blog feed, for instance, or any of them, if you want to see what settings you've got available to you, just hit the edit pencil, and here we can choose how many posts you want to display and how we want to display them. So we'll just quickly change that to tiles, just so you can see the difference there. So there we go. So you can see we've got the tiled effect as well as our service icons and header area there. Okay, well that's just a general overview of how to build a page using Visual Composer and Malory. I do hope this video has been useful. If there are any problems along the way, obviously come and see me over at support. Other than that, thanks for watching.